Part 3.
Look.
Siyempre. At saka alam mo, Cade. Alam mo ba? Ha? Ha? Alam mo ba yon? Totoo yon. Okay. 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 Wala akong unan. Pingin akong unan, Cade. Meron pala akong unan.
Suffering. Or I'm crying.
I'm gonna grab. Oh, I'm gonna change my character. I don't like
Who's
this.
the
Yeah,
grammar?
maybe this.
Teach her. Just fucking teach her.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yes, I know you're rich and awesome.
Dan, you're selfish.
So I'm selfish because
No, you're not. I'm just singing.
Okay, you're not singing anymore. So you really do hate me.
No. What do you mean?
Shut up. You're thinking that you don't mean it.
What? I didn't get you.
Don't correct yourself. What even the fuck?
Okay then.
Sounds.
I'm gonna tell you something. Okay. Cade!
She said it. What is that, bitch? I'm just gonna tell you that.
None of your mind.
What do you mean? Never mind.
None of your mind.
What the fuck, girl? Please help her teach English.
Oh, I get wrong.
Teach her how to.
Oh, now I get it. None of your business.
None of.
None of your business. Am I right?
None.
None of your business.
None of your business. No. None of.
None of
Your business.
your business. Oh, you don't have a business?
Okay. Oh my god. Can somebody teach her some grammar? Still, cause I don't want to teach her. It's so hard.
What is grammar?
So you don't even know what the fuck is grammar.
Why are you talking about that?
Fucking?
Yeah?
What? She said fucking. I thought she said talking.
No, I said, why are you talking about that? And you said that, and they said, yeah. Why are you talking about that?
Huh?
None of your business.
Bitch.
Ow! You know that's hurt.
She's a fucking ratatouille.
You're so ugly.
Oh my god.
Ugly
She's a
feet.
fucking ugly. Yeah, you're right, says a joke. I want her to hear her say fuck.
There, I'm almost done on the side.
You just say one bad word.
Okay then. I said side. You have disease.
Said.
Side. Side.
I thought she was saying said because you say to her that I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
So never mind.
Yeah, never mind. What is that? Don't we have a... Oh, this can be the back of the house, and is that in...
I thought this is the perfect gate of the house.
Yeah, but why did you put that? Where's the gate?
I'm gonna just fucking put the gate.
Oh.
Your house looks like a fucking haunted
I'm just gonna fix it.
because of the cage.
Yeah.
Can you help me with the bars?
Coming.
Kasi it's so hard to put the bars.
Give me.
Labutong. Labutong, labutong, labutong.
Okay, you can deal with it.
Labutong, labutong, labutong.
What the fuck is funny with that?
Asa na sila? Ha? Ha?
Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah, they're upstairs.
Why you're so funny? Ugly yo. Labutong, labutong. Why this gate look like the Baduzivar? Why?
What is this?
That's the gate, of course. Don't you remember?
Yeah, I know.
See, I now remember.
What is that? Why are you putting that thing?
You will need this so you can just press some button. Oh my god, you're so annoying. You're making too hard to me. This is why I need to help you, okay? What the fuck? Kala ko,
Ano ba yan?
ayaw nga nang paka-cringe. Wow, it's so funny, haha. So funny that I should laugh. Hee hee hee. Haha.
Okay.
So funny.
Oh no! I'm gonna make a fart for. Bye guys.